Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for English speaking. To begin, simply open Gemini and start a new conversation. You can type your initial prompt or use voice input to tell Gemini what kind of practice you're looking for. For example, you might say, "Let's practice a job interview," or "I want to discuss daily routines." This sets the stage for your interactive session. Once you've set your topic, engage with Gemini as you would with a real person. Speak naturally and don't worry about making mistakes. That's part of the learning process. You can ask Gemini to play different roles, like a customer service agent or a friend. This helps you practice responding in various social and professional contexts, building your confidence. Gemini is excellent at providing constructive feedback. After you speak or type, you can ask it to correct your grammar, suggest better vocabulary, or even rephrase your sentences for clarity. Pay close attention to these suggestions. Understanding why a correction was made is key to avoiding similar errors in the future and improving your overall English proficiency. To maximize your learning, try setting specific goals, such as practicing for 15 minutes daily or focusing on a particular accent. Challenge Gemini with complex topics to expand your vocabulary and critical thinking in English. You can also ask it to summarize your conversations, helping you review key points and new words. Consistent practice is crucial for fluency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.